Find the mass of a car that has a velocity of 30 meters per second and a momentum of 45,000 kilograms times meters per second. It's a pretty mouthful, right? So this one's pretty chill. I'll show you why. Let's say we have the formula P equals mv. You're like, okay, how does that help me? Well, P is momentum. M, I know you think M is momentum, but no, M is mass. And V is, obviously you guessed it, velocity. How fast something's going, how heavy something is, and pretty much the energy that's displaced between something moving, right? So we just say a baseball traveling really fast has a bigger momentum than you dropping a pencil on the ground, right? Travels faster in a way, not velocity. Velocity is how fast it's going. So we got P equals mv. Let's see what we got. So we have velocity, boom, 30 meters per second. What else do we got? Momentum of, okay, and we got momentum, which is 45,000 kilograms times meters per second. And they want us to find out how much is the mass, so how heavy it is. So let's look at this formula. We have momentum equals mass times volume, times velocity. We need to get m by itself because that's what we need, because we have this guy and we have that guy. Divide v to both sides. Now we have, I'm going to just flip it over. We got P over V equals M, right? And that's what we wanted. We want to find mass because we don't know what this is. We have P, which is momentum. We have V, which is velocity, but we don't have M, right? Question mark. He has to be by himself. So what's P? 45,000 kilograms times meters per second over, right? Because it's P over, what's V? 30 meters per second equals M. We don't know. So right off the bat, let's look at the units. Right here, M, because this is where the answer is gonna go. So let's look at the units first. Mass is calculated in kilograms. So that's what our answer should have. So look, M over S over M over S, that cancels out because they're two of the same, leaving kilograms. So we know our answer is gonna be in kg. Got that part answered. Now, what is 45,000 divided by 30? I did the calculation already. You could do it on your phone too. 1,500 kilograms. That's it. I know I wrote it pretty far out, but basically, yeah. So it's 1,500 kg is equal to the mass. Sorry, I just wrote it really far there, just in case that confused you. And that is how you solve that.